North Farm, located directly north of the Wisconsin River, is used for research and demonstration of large-scale commercial tree crop production. As of spring 2024, the farm includes a 5-acre small fruits orchard, an 8-acre commercial hybrid hazelnut planting, and a 20-acre hybrid chestnut orchard and cold hardiness trial. Alley cropping is being used with the hazelnuts to grow organic vegetables, black currants, perennial grains, and prairie species. 80 acres of former cropland on the farm has been converted to pasture, and silvopasture is being established both in fields by planting trees and in timbered areas by thinning timber and establishing forages, with managed rotational grazing being done by the farm's flock of Katahdin and Dorper sheep and by custom grazed cattle from a neighboring farm. Over half the farm is currently forested and is being used for sustainable timber management and harvest, as well as forest farming, or growing edible and medicinal plants in the forest understory. A remnant oak savanna is being restored on the farm using native plants, serving as an example of the ecosystem that these farms seek to mimic.